Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time before since I released a video, and I thought before we do this tutorial, it's appropriate. It's only appropriate for me to give you guys sort of like a small introduction on what has been happening in my life and why I've not been posting as regularly. I think since COVID struck, I've only posted one video, and I just wanted to give you guys some quick updates on some of the changes I want to do on my channel going forward. One of the first thing, one of the reasons that I was not posting a lot is because of my work, which weirdly enough increased as COVID was happening. And so I find myself that I didn't have a lot of time to do the videos even before COVID. You'll notice from my video, I was not even preparing. Most of the time is whichever 1 hour I find, I was freestyling through, and now it's even gotten worse, where even that getting that 1 hour has been tough. So what I'm going to be doing going forward, I'm going to do these tutorials in this sort of like a vlogging format, where I'm on video and I'm also taking some few minutes to do the actual coding, because I believe the project we wanted to do on React Native, making the plotty app for social e-commerce, the project is quite exciting, and a lot of people have come on Twitter and on WhatsApp just to tell me to keep going, and I don't want to let you guys down. So the format will be slightly different, but I hope it's going to be quite engaging, quite fun, and I think it will be a very unique perspective on how coding tutorials will be done on YouTube. The second thing I like to comment on the channel is that I've created a Telegram channel. My Twitter is also open, and I want to create a community around for people who are following the channel, who are following the tutorial, so that we can create a community where we can jointly discuss. We can create a platform where people are able to post questions, and we get response, and create a community around it, and even collaborate on ideas and other things that you'd like to see on the channel, or a topic that you'd like me to cover or teach. The third thing that is going on the channel, I've started doing some collaborations behind the scenes. I've been invited in some of these big YouTube channels, especially in Kenya, which have nothing to do with coding, but down the line you might be seeing me in some of these influential channels, just talking about tech, talking about programming and the state of our industry here in Kenya. So enough about that. So I expect great things forward. I'll also be posting these videos regularly, so it doesn't matter. I'll be in a hotel somewhere like where I am right now. I'll be traveling somewhere, whether I'm at home, whether I'm at a coffee shop. I'll be doing these tutorials wherever I am, so that we push and we finish this project. And there's a million other things which are so excited that I like to show you guys. So that means that also going forward, you might be seeing a lot of me vlogging where I'm at work, I'm doing other things which are exciting, and I hope that I'll use that opportunity to show you how programming can be utilized in the real life in other industries and in other projects that are vastly different from coding, but we require to do programming every day of our lives.